I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Hey y'all, we about to make some candied yams. You're gonna need some sweet potatoes, and right here I have 4 large sweet potatoes. And you're gonna need some nutmeg, which is optional, but trust me, put it in there, okay? You're gonna need some cinnamon as well. And you're also gonna need some vanilla extract and some brown sugar, baby. Ain't nothing like that brown sugar. Ah! You're gonna also need some white granulated sugar as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these peeled. You wanna peel them, all right? And I have them sitting in some water on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and just slice them like so. And right here, I'm about to show you the sizes that I sliced the sweet potatoes in. And like I said, I have some water on the side, and I kept them in because they will turn. So put them in some water until you are absolutely ready about to use them, or they're going to turn brown, okay? And so in this pot that I have on the stove, you're going to want to add like 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of water. You don't need like no cups of water because sweet potatoes have a lot of water in them. And so I have my brown sugar. I used half of the brown sugar, half of the granulated white sugar, and I'm pouring in the vanilla extract in there as well. And just using half of everything, basically. I'm going to link in the description box the measurements, but just do half at the bottom. It's like layering them. And that's just me pouring the rest of that vanilla extract in there, and pouring the rest of my granulated sugar on there, and then I'm gonna put some brown sugar on there as well, and then just cover them up. But you don't want to cover them fully with your lid. You want to have it like kind of like half on half off kind of thing, because you don't want it to burn. And I'm cooking this on a medium low temperature because you don't want the bottom to get scorched. You don't want to burn it. I'm gonna put the measurements down there because you guys, I eyeball everything. I really do. But I know what I'm putting in there, and approximately how much I'm using. So I'll put it in the description box for you guys. And then maybe about 10 minutes later, I went in and I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit, but be careful because you don't want to get burned or nothing, because it'll start popping up a little bit. So I went in and just mixed it. And then about 5 to 6 minutes, I went back in, stirred it all up and everything, and now I'm going to be adding in my butter. All right, there I'm just checking for like doneness, trying to see where they are, because you want them to be fork tender. And I'm also adding in some more brown sugar on top. I like my candied yams to be really nice and sweet. But yeah, guys, this is such a quick and easy recipe. And voila, like they're done. Once they're fork tender, they're done. All right? And then you can just turn off your eye and just take that pot off the eye and move it to the back and just let them chill out because they're done. They're basically done. Thank you so much for watching. Stay forever blessed.